Guys, I just faced quite a unique challenge with the Grok 2.0, and the thing is that it wouldn't give me the links to the X profiles. So you see, Grok 2.0 is from X, and well, the thing is that it wouldn't give me the links to the profile of the most followed accounts and the most accounts that are fastest growing. So I actually gave it a prompt. Let me take you to the computer screen, and what I'm gonna do is what it's not capable of doing. I'm gonna see if ChatGPT can do that for me. So this is the case studies. I started off by asking Grok, tell me about the most biggest and active in terms of engagement accounts on X that I need to follow. So it gave me a select few, and then I asked it, can you give me a list of top 50? It gave me a list. Okay, yeah, this makes sense. But I actually need the links to the profile because I want to make a list of these accounts separately, so any post that they will do, it will appear in that X list, and it would be easy for me to engage on this their post. So well, then I asked it, can you also give me a list of all the links to them so that I can open and follow them? So it gave me the citations from the internet and the X posts, but it didn't give me the links to the profile itself. Like, let's say we open in what's in front of Katy Perry, it's like a X post, but not the link to the account of Katy Perry. Now in the end it wrote that please note that X does not allow direct linking to profiles from outside the platform, so you will need to search for these usernames on X to follow them. Okay, so this is the challenge that we have. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all these ones. Let me bring chat GPT over here. So here we are. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy all these names, and I'm gonna go to chat GPT and I'm gonna ask it to give me the X profile links to the following accounts. Let's see what it gives us. Hopefully the actual links to the profiles. Okay, let me click on this. I think I'm not able to open these because it just gave the usernames. Let's see. These links will direct you to the official X profiles of each individual organization. I'm clicking on this, but it doesn't give me anything. Give me the actual links that I can open because I cannot access profiles with these. Let's see what it gives us now. Okay, now I think we are getting somewhere. Yes, this is exactly what I wanted. Now let me click on this. If I open it separately, yes, this is exactly what I needed. So well, Grok AI is also really good, but well, in this case ChatGPT has taken the lead, and the thing is that I came across this very unique case study, so I wanted to share it with you as well. And we are done with this. Let me know in the comments if you use Grok AI as well. Or actually this comes with the paid version of X if you subscribe on X. So I'm also using a paid version of ChatGPT 4.0 as well, so it's also really good. Let me know which one do you prefer, or if you want me to make another video related to these, you can let me know down in the comments. Thank you for watching till here. You are amazing.